Meaning of delusory.
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 Delusory. The word delusory means something that is deceptive, misleading, or illusory. It can refer to a belief or perception that is not based in reality and can lead to misguided actions or decisions. Delusory thoughts may also create false hope or expectations, leading to disappointment or frustration. In short, delusory things are not what they seem to be, and relying on them can be dangerous. Therefore, it is important to be aware of the potential for delusion and to approach situations with clarity and rationality.